Ojiden, let's play. Give me the number 1. Where's the number 1? Just give it to me. Give me the number 1. Very good. Number 1. What about number 3? Give me the number 3. Dali. Give me the number 3. Pakita natin dito sa kanila. Number 3.
Opens.
Number 3. Akin na. Asa na?
Dito.
Very good. Number 3. What about the number 5? Give me the number 5.
Number 5.
5. Just find number 5.
Asa number?
Mamaya na mag-play. Akin na yung number 5. Ipakita natin sa kanila. Dali na. Number 5. Number 5. Asa na? Asa na? Asa na number 5? Ipakita natin. Number 5.
Kasi na.
Asa na number 5?
Tingnan mo. Ano?
Tingin ka dyan kung asan. Yung number 5. Akin na.
5. Ano number
5.
yan? Ano number yan?
5. Yung 5 yung hinahanap ni daddy. Asa na?
Kasi na.
Number 5. Number 5. That's not a number 5.
Kasi na.
Just find number 5.
Wala pa.
Shh. Number 5. Kaya mo sa akin number 4. Asa number 4? Dali. Number 4. Number 4. Akin na, ipakita natin. No, akin na. Akin na, bigay. Oh, this is number 4. How about number 5?
11.
Number 5. Asa number 5? Number 5, ibigay mo kay daddy. Number 5. Oh, this is number 5. What about number 7? Okay, very good. Number 7. What about number 9? Give me number 9. Where is the number 9? Very good. Bigay mo. This is number 9. What about number 6? Find number 6. Dali. Find number 6. Just give me number 6. Very good. This is number 6. What about number 10? Find number 10. Okay, very good. Number 10. What about number 2? Okay.
Dahil katong to.
Very good. 1 and 2.
Isa